Let's discuss a question from theory of machine. A flywheel is used to give up 18 kilojoules of energy and in reducing its speed from 100 rpm to 98 rpm. Determine its kinetic energy at 140 rpm. Okay, so this is, I think, a simple problem, but only thing you need to know is the kinetic energy of flywheel is given by the formula half I omega square, because it's rotational kinetic energy. It's unlike the translational kinetic energy, which is half mv square. This is rotational kinetic energy, half I omega square. I is your mass moment of inertia. Now it gives up 18 joules of energy in reducing its speed from 100 rpm to and how is your angular speed related to rpm? It's 2 pi n by 60, because this is radians per second and this is revolutions per minute. Now it gives up energy means the kinetic energy, there's a drop from half I omega 1 square minus half I omega 2 square. So it gives out means, so it's 18 kilojoules. Okay, or let's do it later, but half I omega 1 I can write 2 pi n1 by 60 whole square minus half I omega 2 is 2 pi n2 by 60 whole square. Now in the third case, so this is your general expression, and so if I substitute that, I get 18 kilojoules here. I write half I is something which I don't know, and 2 pi by 60 is also a constant, so I can take out 2 pi by 60 whole square and whole square, whereas n1 square minus n2 square, I have to write that as 1000 square and 100 square minus 98. Now in the third equation, in the second part, what is asked is determine its kinetic energy at, same thing, 2 pi by 60. You have another speed given, whole square. Now this part and this part, if I divide these two equations, so 18 by k is the I and 2 pi by 60 whole square. The I is unknown, so it gets cancelled out, and 2 pi by 60 whole square also gets, so you get basically n1 square minus n2 square by n3 whole square, and all these speeds are given 100 square minus 98 whole square by 140 whole square. So only thing is left is finding out k, and from this simple math operation you get k to be 891 kilojoules. So this is just, if you know the definition of kinetic energy, this is just enough to, so this is not even a theory of machine problem, this is basic kinematics problem. So 891 joules, the answer is C. Answer is C. Thank you.